Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to do prawns fried rice. I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice, 4 green chilies, 1 big onion, salt, ginger, cooking oil, few curry leaves, 250 grams of prawns, medium size, cleaned and washed, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 small bay leaf. Now on the stove, heat the cooker, pour 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, add bay leaf, allow it to splutter, then add chopped green chilies, add chopped ginger, chopped big onion, sort it nicely, add curry leaves, just keep it in flame for 2 to 3 minutes, add prawns, sort it nicely, add little turmeric powder, keep it in flame for at least 5 minutes so that the prawn smell will go and prawns will shrink. Add pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Then in this stage add washed basmati rice 1 cup. Just mix it one time. For 1 cup of basmati rice, pour 400 ml of water. When water boils, add salt. Close the cooker for 1 whistle and 5 minutes. Now yummy prawns fried rice is ready. Eat it hot. It will be tasty.